Welcome to today's review, where we'll be diving into the all-new Lexus LX 700h, a true embodiment of luxury, performance, and cutting-edge technology. In this video, we'll not only explore its stunning design and key features, but also give you the price so you know exactly what this masterpiece offers. Starting with the exterior, the Lexus LX 700h makes a bold statement wherever it goes. From its aggressive front fascia to its sleek athletic side profile, this luxury SUV blends sophistication with power. At the front, the signature Lexus spindle grille commands attention, flanked by sharp LED headlights that offer both style and functionality. The grille's intricate detailing perfectly complements the refined, high-end feel of the vehicle, while the dynamic lines sculpted into the body enhance its road presence. As we move to the side view, you'll notice the bold yet elegant contours that give the LX 700EH a sense of motion, even when it's stationary. The strong wheel arches and finely crafted side skirts bring a modern edge to its traditional SUV design. The large multi-spoke alloy wheels give it a commanding stance, while the chrome accents along the window trims and door handles add a touch of sophistication. Now let's step inside the Lexus LX 700h, where luxury meets advanced technology. The first thing you'll notice is the premium craftsmanship. Every detail is designed to impress. The seats are upholstered in high-quality leather, featuring intricate stitching and ergonomic contours for maximum comfort. The adjustable headrests, seat controls, and bolstered design ensure a personalized and relaxing driving experience. The driver's cockpit is a masterpiece of functionality and style. The sleek dashboard integrates seamlessly with the center console, which houses a large, high-resolution touchscreen for navigation and entertainment. The steering wheel, adorned with the Lexus emblem, is wrapped in leather and equipped with intuitive controls, putting everything you need at your fingertips. Moving to the door panels, you'll find premium materials like wood and brushed metal trims, accentuated by soft ambient lighting that creates a serene atmosphere. The spacious cabin offers plenty of legroom for all passengers, making it perfect for long journeys. From the advanced infotainment system to the luxurious finishes, the Lexus LX 700h interior is designed to provide the ultimate driving experience. Not just a car, it's a sanctuary on wheels. This SUV is built for both luxury and utility, with its solid proportions and well-defined lines suggesting both strength and elegance. Whether you're cruising through the city or heading off-road, the exterior of the Lexus LX 700HX promises a blend of luxury and performance that's hard to beat. So, how much does all this luxury cost? Stick around as we'll reveal the price in just a moment. Let's continue our review of the Lexus LX 700h and take a closer look at its interior and features. Now let's talk about performance. The Toyota Sequoia 2025 is powered by a 3.5-liter twin-turbo V6 hybrid engine, delivering an impressive 437 horsepower and 583 lb-ft of torque. Paired with a 10-speed automatic transmission, this powerhouse ensures smooth and responsive acceleration in any driving condition. Its advanced multi-mode 4x4 system and adaptive suspension make it a capable performer off-road, while the independent rear suspension improves handling and comfort on highways. With a towing capacity of up to 9,520 pounds, the Sequoia is built to handle heavy-duty tasks effortlessly.